Hello friends, once again we are going to talk about Icecream video editor and it is our second session, and here actually we are going to talk about how to add files, maybe the video, maybe the audio, maybe the image, etc., and how to work with timeline. So let's open it. So let's go to my project. There you can see all that old projects. If you want to work with them, then so you can open it. Otherwise, let's create new project by clicking create new project. So we can see here. Now let's add some files. So either you can click drag and drop area or simply click add files. So we can see here. So let's add some files here. So I added here one video file, one is picture, one is audio file. So let's drag to timeline area. So here is timeline area. So video dragged here, image is here, and next is music, it is here. So this is how we can add files uh, to our this drag and drop area, and after that we can click export video. Here we can save it and just we can press export. As we click export, then actually it exports in MP4 format. We can play this by clicking here play button. So it works in this way. Thank you everybody, thanks for your time. Once again we'll see in uh, next video, next session.